A new pillar and the radial beam are up at south goal. Louver slats have started going in at a brand new sector, and the lateral diamonds are stacking up shoring beams for the next pour. North goal is painting up and pushing toward its first slats, and Tribuna has bracket union work spreading across more sections. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Camp Nou updates. Let's get into it. The biggest surprise at the Lateral today was on the louver front. Crews have started placing slats in a brand new sector. Unlike North Goal, where installation began in the false ceiling, this sector opened from the bracket row section, giving a clear and direct view of the installation process. Meanwhile, painting is underway on the steel bracket frames in an adjacent section. Black roller coat going on the beams, preparing that area for connector and support installation next. On the diamond front, the nearest diamond to the north goal corner continues to stack up shoring beams across its upper span. Workers were on site measuring and positioning each beam with millimeter precision, and more are being added steadily. Once the full falsework ceiling is in place, formwork panels and rebar will follow quickly. The second diamond further along has also seen hydraulic hammer prep work in recent days, with rebar stubs being cleaned and shaped ahead of formwork. South Goal delivered solid progress today. A brand new pillar and radial beam have been placed further along the compression ring, noticeably ahead of where the current phalange box installation is sitting. 2 more phalange boxes are still needed to bridge that gap, and falsework is already in position for the next pillar and radial beam beyond that. The ring is pushing steadily past the halfway point of this zone. Safety railings are being installed along the top of the completed ring sections, with workers moving carefully across the upper phalange boxes to bolt them in. Anchor bolt installation on the mobility core bracket sections is also continuing, with more anchors going in across both upper and lower rows. This core remains on track to be the first in the stadium, where louver slats connect around a sandwich panel section. North Goal was more active than usual today. In the midsection, workers with spray equipment and white protective coating were working across the steel bracket frames, surface treating the metal ahead of the next installation phase. Several workers in white overalls were spread throughout this stretch, and the painting operation covered a good portion of the zone. At the corner section, the false ceiling louver installation is nearly complete. Only a few remaining slats need to go in before crews can move to the bracket row sections. A new falsework frame was also spotted being positioned at the corner, suggesting the next compression ring, pillar, and radial beam sequence is being prepared. 2 concrete pumps were also on site in this area, indicating interior structural work is ongoing. Tribuna had steady progress on the louver bracket front today. The bracket unions installed on the left side of the facade in recent days are confirmed in place, and fresh union pieces are stacked on the ground, ready to continue across the right side sections that are still waiting. That installation front is moving methodically from left to right across the stand. At the store diamond, an excavator was on site expanding the cleared ground area around the structure. Workers were also active inside the diamond interior, and pickaxe work was visible on the exterior face. Door frame components and other materials remain stacked nearby. Concrete panel sections for the lower mobility core sections were also visible being prepared for a crane lift at the corner area. That is your Camp Nou update for today. South Goal has a new pillar and radial beam in place. The Lateral has opened a fresh louver sector. North Goal is painting up fast, and Tribuna is steadily spreading its bracket unions. If you enjoyed today's update, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Camp Nou construction coverage. There is still so much to come at this stadium. Thank you for watching, and as always, Visca el Barça.